Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to cancel an event on Sims Mobile. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your Sims Mobile application on your device. Navigate to the event or activity you want to cancel. I'm currently on this event right now. If you want to cancel of it, simply click on this view option at the bottom left, right next to your Sims picture, and if you see this forfeit or quit option, simply tap on it and tap on forfeit or quit once again. So after you do that, you will be able to canceling from an ongoing event on Sims Mobile. Your sim will now stop participating in the activity and you may receive a confirmation message indicating that the cancellation was successful. After cancelling the event, you will be returned to the regular gameplay screen. Now you can focus on other activities and events in the game. So that was how you can easily cancel an ongoing event on Sims Mobile. Remember that each events have a different cancellation option available in your game, so make sure to follow through the on-screen instructions well. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.